Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache of Fishdom. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Settings application. Now scroll down your screen. Then tap on Apps option. Here click on Manage Apps. In the search bar, type in Fishdom. Now go to Storage option. And here you can see an eraser icon in the bottom section of your screen. Tap on it. Select Clear Cache option. And if you're sure, tap on the OK button. So that is how you can clear cache of Fishdom application. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.